Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account here on Pinterest using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and search for pinterest.ph if you are living here on the Philippines. But if you don't, just go ahead and search for pinterest.com, or it really depends on the country that you are in. So here, as you can see on my search bar, there's this pinterest.ph. So let's get started. So first, you want to click on sign up if you want to create an account, and click login if you already have an account. So here you can choose if you would like to continue in or with Facebook or continue with Google. And also you can just go ahead and type your email, create your password, and birth date. So I'm just gonna show you how to do this. Okay, so there you have it, my email, and just go ahead and create a strong password. Okay, and now for your birth date, and click continue. So here, as you can see, there's an error, so you can just go ahead and try again. And here, as you can see, you already have your Pinterest account. And here at the edit button, you can just go ahead and click that to change your username. But I am okay with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click submit and click next. And here, just go ahead and choose your gender. So what's your language or where do you live? So pick any categories that you want. So for example, this. Just gonna choose any categories that I want. Okay. So you can choose as many as you want. Okay. So go ahead and click on the meet your home feed. And you can also get Pinterest on your phone. So go ahead and click done. So here you can just go ahead and start using your Pinterest account. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.